Okay, so this is R21. Nope, just reading out the insulation type. R21, very good. Good. Okay, no insulation here, that's fine. Insulation throughout there, here, R21, which is good. R21 throughout here, good, good, up on top, good. R21, this is all good. Plumbing, okay. Okay, we have R21 on the ceiling too, right? Because this is the opening. Okay. Okay, and none this way. I'm gonna go downstairs to the basement, make sure there's insulation downstairs. Oh, he's been put insulation down here. Oh. No insulation in the basement? I feel like there should be insulation in the basement. I guess I'll ask. I would assume here. Yeah, it should be insulation here too. I would imagine. Yeah, all along this wall should be insulation. Should be. Because those are the walls that have to go up. Well, we'll see. Yeah. All right. So that, let me see, do we have the panels up there? Good. All right. All right, back upstairs.
You're at 16 middle to middle.
Say again?
You're at 16 middle to middle. Approximate.
Perfect.
Yeah. So I did those over there just to make sure they were at 16 middle to middle. So it's not 16. And
You
then
want
next
to, can you reach where the fireplace is?
Probably not. And do what?
Same.
Make sure it's 16.
So,
Yeah, it's about 16. So if you're doing it like this,
can you do it? So
from middle
16,
of stud to middle of stud.
go to the end.
Here?
Yep, to here. What is that? Call it out.
It's like 39 and a half.
39 and a half.
Yep.
Hold on, stay there.
Mm-hmm.
There's a stud at 7.5 to 8.5 or 9. And then another stud, about 22, so 23 to 25. Okay, very good. Thank you.
Just for the walls? Yes. For the walls, Joseph. Once they put the installation in, they got
This is where the doorbell's gonna go in. So this is that space that we all have.
I did like this. I think I did like about 43.
I don't know, I gotta check there.
So from here to here, I don't know why is this like so? Well, this is wall and this is door. Okay, so this is wall.
Yeah.
So we would say here. So like your door will be here.
Mm.
Like 39, 38 and a half, I would say, no bigger than that. If you're gonna do something here.
So maybe 36 because you figured trim.
36 would be about what they have now.
Right. That sounds okay. So we can do a nice 36-inch.
You see where your vent? That's exactly where your vent is gonna be when they have the silver. Your vent hood, right?
Yeah.
That's where it'll be.
It should be the top one.
Oh, the top one, yeah.
The top
so
one.
what is the top one for?
This could be air. This could be air. So it's gonna be behind the wall, but that is for the vent hood. You see how it goes out the house
Yeah,
too?
it's up, yeah.
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 These are pot lights.
Oh, okay, that's how they look.
Yeah.
I've never seen that.
That's why they call pots.
Yeah.
Pot light. They look like pots.
I've only seen the thing. Those also look like pots. The, you know, inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, little pots.
All right, let's go
And this
upstairs.
is the pantry.
Yeah, that thing
What's
is
this
tiny.
You see a
Those are
slide?
probably the screens for the sliders, probably. Yeah. Was the drain corrected? You see?
I don't know.
No, it's not. No.
They self-building with it?
So this is where my issue comes in. So the water, this is the laundry room. We have a water line here. I'm imagining this is where the washer is gonna go. But there's a drain on that side with a vent behind it. So I'm imagining that's the side where the dryer is gonna go. So that doesn't make, this drain here doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
That drain doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
What the hell is that? Is that a vent?
That's gonna be a vent.
Okay. Oh, I see him over there.
Yep, that's a vent.
Oh.
This is gonna be a double. This is the boys' bathroom on this side. This is gonna look like it's gonna have 2 sinks, double vanity, which is nice.
She added commentary, huh?
I am.
I thought she was on the phone with somebody.
This is really nice.
No.
They did this nice.
This, okay, so
So this is one closet.
so up here, what I'm not seeing is I'm not seeing insulation on the roof, which is right above our head.
So where
They
would
would do
that?
it eventually. There's no
Yeah.
insulation in the roof yet.
Yeah. What
But-
would that? What would that?
But
be?
because they've started insulating, that's what happened to up on the ceiling.
So I'm assuming it's going to be up here, right?
But
Yeah.
these, right? Yeah.
But it's not there yet.
Yeah.
So that's concerning.
I don't know how that works. When it's up there, do they have to do that right before they put the ceiling up so it can? Because this is easier because of the studs and stuff.
Right, it's accessible, so it makes it easier. But
Yeah.
The
They have
roof always
ladders.
have insulation.
No,
Yes.
I'm saying,
yes,
I'm saying
'Cause I
they
noticed
would
that
do it
our-
right before they're ready to put the ceiling up. Because it can fall, no?
what can fall?
Yeah.
No, it's not supposed to fall. No,
Well,
shouldn't
she's
fall.
saying that because it's the way the roof is positioned. If they
Because
put the
it's
insulation up, how,
gravity.
what are they going to use to
It's
keep
not
it
gonna
from
it's not gonna fall
coming
through.
down?
if you're
well,
not
so
putting a
so
ceiling.
what we had in Red Schoolhouse is they used like a little band, right? And so they
Oh.
stapled it to keep
Right,
it.
they didn't get to the band part yet. So I
okay.
don't know if they do that after.
I don't know, but that's what I'm
I feel
saying.
like they would though.
They have
They
to.
wouldn't? They have to.
They
I
have
think
to.
that's
They have to
the code.
insulate,
They
and
put an outlet up there. Hey, you can get up to your attic.
you should be able to get to the attic in case you do.
Is this what you was
you-
climbing up in Red Schoolhouse like this?
Yes.
This shit? This,
Yeah.
Excuse me, I didn't mean
That
to ruin your
shit. That
video.
shit. Now.
This,
Fabulous.
no, but no, that's not what I'm saying.
I
I'm just saying
understand.
because it's so thin. Like
Yeah.
what? That
Yeah.
seems so
That's
scary.
how they
Yeah.
speak, baby. It be cramped like this.
Oh no, it's not the cramp. It's these little studs. These studs are not big.
Oh yeah, I was.
And you were
Well, I'm
stepping on them
saying
like
you,
this, you know?
you.
Yes, I
but
did.
usually in the attic, you're.
That's not concerning.
It's not that much.
Concerning to me is
Okay,
that she
so-
was skipping these like that,
Oh,
popping
skipping
over.
them.
Yes,
Tub faucet's gonna be there.
Yeah.
that's dangerous.
Window.
That's what's wrong.
That's pretty.
Well, I mean, it's gonna be.
This is the
something
bathroom?
big. It's
Yes.
not like
Yeah.
she's gonna fall into another room. Come on, me. You said she's skipping the beam, the studs.
Well, she used to be in 25 Red Schoolhouse,
Yeah.
and there were studs like that.
Why are there two?
She
They
used
didn't
to go
have
in the
nothing
attic.
else.
I don't know. That's how she made it seem. That's what
Oh,
I'm
there's
saying.
two
This is
pot
crazy.
lights there. Okay.
What's this for? At your events?
Yeah. This is for the ceiling fan.
How would
My
you plug,
chandelier.
What would you plug up there though? I don't understand why.
You could plug. So if I had somebody, let's say, God forbid, I had a situation with my roof, I had a hole in my roof, so it needed to be repaired.
Yeah.
They may need to have a plug-in drill or something.
Oh,
It's possible.
it just seemed like
Bathroom,
I don't even know
water
how
closet,
would you
and
get
door
up there though.
closet. I can't see what
Well,
closet is.
so my
I
closet.
know it's there, but I can't see how big it is.
Okay, so let's just hop through here. And then through here. And now we're in our closet, which is good to see that there's insulation here too.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
This is your closet.
This space is my closet. It is quite small.
We should measure your closet, right?
I
You
have the measurements, yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. There's the light switch here.
That window?
This is crazy.
Yeah, it would be so wonderful to be able to steal this space. Oh, Amy, can you
What's
take some
this here?
measurements here?
What's this here
That's a walk-in closet for the guest room.
for this room?
Yeah. Can you take some measurements here? So from end to end, what is it?
From here
No, further. Yep.
to where? Here.
That one, yep.
That is 50.5.
Okay. Now, what number is this one at?
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It is at 15. Middle of it is 15.
The middle of this beam is 15.
Mm-hmm. Middle of that beam is 30.5.
So where are you from here?
Yep.
Okay. 15, 30.5,
46.5.
46.5. Because these will need to come out. These cannot be load bearing. They could be load bearing actually.
You might have to check.
These could be load bearing. That could be load bearing.
So this is where you would want to steal the space.
Yeah.
So definitely get a
I don't think I
video of
can.
that.
That's load bearing.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's bearing the, I mean, it's not carrying anything but the roof. The roof could be supported elsewhere, but it is load bearing. Because these two beams,
Suddenly you don't need this big old closet for that room.
I know.
Oh man, I wish you could have got a visual. No, she does. 16 to 16, middle to middle of beam. That's where you're gonna place your holes. Let's measure here. Measure here too. Yep, 16 to 16. 16 to 16.
What does R stand for?
Yep. And then except for the last one, that's a little different. These are closer than 16.
That's okay though. But look at this space. Look
Where
how,
you gonna put your TV?
my TV's gonna go on that wall.
This wall.
The
How's it
sofa's
gonna
gonna
go
go
on this wall?
here.
Well, where they? Your TV's gonna be here. Your sofa's gonna be here.
Okay, so this is another good point. So I haven't really decided. Let me turn this on. Okay. Laundry room, just checking. And it looks like the water line is here where the washer's supposed to be. But the drain is here. And the dryer vent, I believe that's the dryer vent, is there. So this doesn't look like it makes sense. Maybe we need to check that. Okay, go.
So the desk will be here, your chair here, back facing the window, TV over here. So we're gonna take those studs to see exactly where they are.
Mm-hmm.
And then couch on this long wall over here.
75 inches.
I like that. And my lamp,
And
my
your
beautiful,
chandelier.
yes, because it is amazing. It is so beautiful.
It's pretty, yeah. It's gonna be right there, which is perfect because it'll be like
In the middle.
in the middle.
Yeah. All right, let's do these measurements.
Okay,
This
Now-
one is tough because they're inconsistent.
let's see. Very, yep.
Yeah.
So, okay.
What do you got there?
So,
I would mount the
because it'll
TV
be
right
here.
where
So
Amy
let's
is.
do here
Yeah.
to here. Here to here is 42 and a half.
Total. Middle to middle?
Middle to middle, 42 and a half here. And
Okay.
then this beam is at the 20-inch mark.
Got it.
20-inch mark. That's exactly where you should be.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is so big. Oh my gosh. This is incredible. Wow, you guys work so fast. Wow, even down here. Hello, how are you?
Pretty good, how are you?
Good. Didn't fix it. Ugh. Well, hopefully.
They get it fixed for you?
Well, my drain